What's going on social media? I am in Coral Gables today looking at a property on Obispo Ave. Obispo, the street, gets its name from the Latin word episcopal, which translates into bishop. So essentially we are on Bishop Ave here in Coral Gables. And that word actually means overseer. So I'm gonna get in here and oversee this gorgeous property. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath main part of the house, and then a separated little 1-bedroom, 1-bath cottage in the back on the other side of the pool. Looks awesome in photos. Can't wait to get in there and see what it looks like in person.
Must have been a big shot who won in 25, huh?
Right, exactly. Back then, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome, man. Well, congratulations.